বৈশাখের গল্প, কবি অরুণ কুমার চট্টোপাধ্যায়। ও মূর্তি তো কার বটে গ? বিটি ছেলেটি ঠিকই বললে, শুধু 2 বিঘা জমিন ছিল, বাকি সকলই বিকাইছে কর যায়। হ্যাঁ আইকা, কথা তো ঠিকই, টুকুটু ইধার উধার 2 বিঘা কেন, 1 ছটাকও জমিন নাই আমার, সকলে মাইরে খাইয়েছে জমিদার। তো বাবু, আপনাদের ও কবিয়ার ঠিকই সাবনিহা গায়ের বুড়া ভুজুং মাঝির পাড়ায় গা। অমনি সাদা পাড়া দাড়ি, লম্বা পাড়া চুল, তাকে নাম বটে গো কবিয়ালের। দমে লিখা পড়ি করিয়াছে লিয়াম ও ফ্লাহার। Long June twilight faded into night. Dublin lay in milky darkness, but for the dim light of the moon that shone through the fleecy clouds, casting a pale light as of approaching dawn over the streets and the dark waters of the বেদনা। স্কুলের দরজা বন্ধ, খেলার মাঠ কাঁদছে, আমরা আজ নিজের ঘরে বন্দি করোনার এ যুদ্ধে। রবিবারের ছুটির মজা আজ আমাদের লুপ্ত, আজকে আমরা স্কুলের জন্য হচ্ছি সবাই ব্যস্ত। লকডাউনে ঘরে বসে মনের মধ্যে তাই বন্ধুদের খুনসুটিটা ভাবছি আমি ভাই। সিস্টারদের মুখের পড়া হোয়াটসঅ্যাপেতে পাই, তবুও যেন তাদের আমরা ক্লাসরুমেতে চাই। ভগবান আজ তোমার কাছে করছি অনুরোধ, করোনাকে হারিয়ে দিয়ে ভুলিয়ে দাও এসব। Nature and we. Today people are crying, but nature is laughing. When we were civilized, then nature was crying. We can't create forests, but we are cutting it. We can't create water, but we are wasting it. We can't create air, but we are polluting it. But today nature is in its own form. It is taking revenge, and now we are locked in our rooms. Our false proud thought that we are the best, but today it's proof that we are the worst. Nature's created weapon, Corona is teaching us lesson that we are helpless in front of nature. We should fight with ourselves that we will not destroy the nature, and we should take oath to save the beauty of nature.
सल्यूट डॉक्टर। बंद है मंदिर मदीना, कहाँ जाए हम इस मुश्किल की घड़ी में, याद किसे करें हम। दिन रात जो सेवा में लगे हैं हमारे, आखिरी बार सलाम कब किया था तुमने उन्हें यारे। हिंदुस्तान में 33 कोटि देवता है पूजे, पर एक भी आज काम ना आ रहे हैं सिवाय वैद्य के औषध। सिर्फ हिंदुस्तान ही नहीं, देख रहा है सारा जहां, लगता है राजतंत्र को छोड़कर सिर्फ वैद्यों की ही होगी चर्चा।
विश्वास रखो, मुश्किल बड़ी है ये घड़ी, बस संयम बनाए रखना है, क्योंकि इस वक्त को तो गुजरना है। मत कहो कि कल का सूरज किसने देखा है, क्योंकि आज इसी सूरज को डूब कर कल फिर से उगना है। जल्द ही लौटेंगी खुशियाँ, कल फिर से खिलेंगी निर्भय सूरजमुखियाँ। कभी कभी काली रातें लंबा समय तय कर जाती हैं, लेकिन फिर से उजाली सुबह निश्चय आती है। आज के विध्वंस से मत डरो, कल नया नव निर्माण होगा, नया नव निर्माण होगा।
Get well soon. The storm will pass away after this storm. We will have to keep faith that we will overcome. By days passing, it is becoming more harder. And we are just asking how long they have to suffer. Children are not going to school as they are maintaining COVID-19 strict rules. And yes, schools are closed, but learning is not closed. Teachers are far away, but teaching is not closed. Students staying home, studying online, watching TV. Thousands of voices are screaming, "Go Corona, go!"
Be aware, be safe. Symptoms like fever making us weak. Doctors help, we need to seek. Started in China, now the world is sick. Let us find a cure quick. We will have fever, as doctors told. We will have headache and a cold. After then comes cough. Getting rid is very tough. Don't go to crowded places. Don't be one of those 1,000 cases. Wear your mask. Be wise. After coming home, sanitize and wash your hands thrice. Be home, be safe. Thank you.
Hello, I am Farag Mitra and I want to tell how I am passing my lockdown days. Now the world is passing through very bad time because of a new virus called coronavirus or COVID-19 has engaged in the whole world, and the World Health Organization or WHO has declared it as a worldwide pandemic. This virus first gained its wings in China's Wuhan city, is a food market. India has many cases of COVID-19, so Indian government has imposed lockdown on each and every places of India for the people of the nation. Now, what is lockdown? Lockdown is a stage or a period of time when we have to stay at home and should not go out of the home. Now, during the first period of lockdown, I was passing my days very heartily and enthusiastically. But as the lockdown became extended till this June, then these last few days I was feeling very bored, and as I could not see my friends, I could not go to park, I could not go to play, I could not go to schools, I could not go to anywhere. So I was when the lockdown started, that is on 25th March, I was very enthusiastic. As I told before, I was playing with my cat, I was reading storybooks, I was fishing, I was gardening, I was still sleeping too much. I was enjoying those days. But as the lockdown extended, I was very bored. I was very sad because I could not go to the school. When our first session started, then was to be start. That is 1 April. We thought that I was so much excited to start new classes. But as the because of lockdown, our school was not started and we could not go to our school. So I feel really very sad. But what to do? We have to maintain lockdown. So nothing is to be done. But we should stay at home and maintain the lockdown and maintain the social distance, wear masks, and listen to our security guards such as police, doctors who are always fighting for ourselves in the risk of their lives. They are giving their best as to serve the people. So in the remembrance of them, I want to give these flowers to them. Thank you.
The devil COVID-19. This novel coronavirus was made in China. So many lives it took and put many in isolation that now we are under a crisis. Rice, pasta, sanitizer, facial masks, emptying supermarket shelves, grocery shopping has become the most crucial task. Fighting over toilet paper, everybody has gone a bit mad for not being able to mingle and always being single. In all reality, it's very sad. The roads are empty, the crowds are too small. Every human is locked up in their house and their sunny playgrounds now looks bleak. Nobody going to school anymore. Nobody even opening the door. We used to giggle and play on our swings and slides. Now we are caged in our homes as Corona gambles outside. But listen, you COVID-19. You are not the biggest evil we have ever seen. You can infect our bodies but not our spirits. We are humans, more bad, mean than you. Learning about you every day. Within a year, we will create a vaccine with sanitizer, mask and cooperation. Thank you.